Hey friend, it is Kate here. Welcome to day 8 of our 30-day challenge. We are officially 1 week into our lovely Progress Not Perfection self-care challenge. If you are brand new here and today's your first day, well, welcome, and you can start right here and join us and keep going, or you can go back to the beginning. If you've done every single day, woohoo! If you've done half the days, I am still so proud of you. This is all about taking time to take care of yourself, to establish some really happy, healthy, and wonderful habits that maybe we can carry on even after the 30 days. It's certainly not about beating yourself up if you've skipped a day or if you feel like certain challenges or certain times of the challenge are just too hard for you. That's okay. Listen to your body. Do what you need to do. Feel happy and proud after each class rather than worrying that you've not done everything. I certainly, don't expect you to do everything perfectly because I don't do things perfect at all. Anywho, today is our first Thankful Thursday, or our first official one. Last Thursday was more about setting an intention for ourselves. Have you thought about that throughout the week? Are we going to keep thinking about that? I hope you do. But today is one of those days that we're really going to take a moment to be truly thankful. And I am hoping that this little mantra, this little theme I've had running through my head the past couple of months can be helpful for you too. I don't know about you, but 2020 has been a wee bit harder than I was anticipating, or at least not the year that I thought I was going to have at all. I would safely wager that most of us feel that way. If you need a little positive thinking, some reassuring ways to do that, I hope that this little meditation will be just for you. This doesn't have to be just meditation. This could also be a journal prompt for you. Some creative free writing can be very helpful in bringing some positive thoughts back to our life as well. So whatever you think works best for you is perfectly fine. Maybe you do both. Maybe you want to meditate right now while I chat and then later do a little journal. You can do whatever feels good for you. But otherwise, I want you to begin to find a comfy, cozy spot. Whether that's seated upright, whether you want to lie down on your couch, maybe curl up in bed, maybe it's the end of your day and you want to relax a little bit, that's okay. Remember, meditation is not a one-size-fits-all thing. So, begin to find that comfortable spot. Hands can relax wherever feels best for you. Maybe wiggle around a little bit. Maybe nod the head, roll the shoulders. But can you begin to still your body? Take a long, slow, deep inhale and an easy sigh out. Again, great, big, full inhale. Let it go. One more time, just like that. Seal your lips together and begin breathing through your nose. Are you trying to control your body? Are you trying to keep yourself in a particular shape or pose? Can you give yourself permission just to relax? To remember that no one is watching you. This moment, this time, it's all about you. Notice your heartbeat. Is it thumping in your chest? Is it slow and steady? There's no right or wrong. Simply taking the time to pay attention. And as we begin to still our body, to slow our breath, I want you to take a moment and think about the past few months. Yes, there may have been some challenges, some unexpected bumps in the road, and that will always be the case. But I also want you to ask yourself, where are the opportunities? Where are the opportunities in your life that you have experienced joy? That you have had moments of happiness, big or small. There's no right or wrong. But begin to gather those thoughts, those little opportunities that you've had. And let them swirl around in your head. Maybe you've had the opportunity to reconnect with a close friend. Maybe you've been able to cook for yourself more, to spend some quality time alone with yourself. Perhaps you've been able to establish a new self-care ritual or routine. Maybe you've just had the opportunity to do your laundry a little more frequently and jumping into a clean, warm bed each night. Again, there's nothing too big, there's nothing too small that you can't take a moment to think about and then appreciate. As those little moments of happiness and joy kind of pop up in your head, how does that make you feel? Can you invite a feeling of true gratitude? A feeling of appreciation and thankfulness for whatever it is. And let that fill up your mind. Allow that feeling of gratitude to spread through your body. Maybe it brings a smile to your face. Maybe it helps to relax your muscles and joints. Perhaps it's calmed your mind in a way that you weren't anticipating. Remember, in moments, in days when things feel a little more chaotic, a little more unpredictable than we'd otherwise have it, know that taking a moment or two just to remember these feelings of warmth, of gratitude, of contentment can be helpful, can be just what you need. Wherever you are, maybe begin to awaken your body. Maybe that means to lightly blink the eyes open, to roll the shoulders and nod the head. Take all the time you need to bring yourself back here. And if you're journaling away, then you just keep doing your thing. If you feel inspired to maybe pull out a journal and jot down some of those little tiny moments of gratitude and thankfulness that we can, you go right ahead and do that as well. But I certainly hope you found it helpful just to take that time. Not a long meditation, just a little guy that we can really, fine tune and bring some of those positive thoughts back to our head. I certainly hope you enjoyed our Thankful Thursday. Now remember, tomorrow is our Friday, and I won't put out a new video tomorrow. You'll do the same video I put out last Friday. And each Friday we're going to keep working on that longer sequence, and hopefully each Friday you'll feel a little stronger and you'll notice a little bit more of that progress. So I can't wait to see you tomorrow, and I certainly hope you enjoyed our class today.